Keeping your Android phone updated is easy and important. This video guides you through the software update process in settings so you can quickly install the latest version and improve performance and security. Open settings by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the gear icon to access system controls. Go to software update and tap on it to check whether a new version is available for your device. If an update is found, select download and install, then wait until the process completes without interrupting your internet connection. After installation, your phone will restart automatically to finalize the update and apply all new system improvements. I have already updated my phone recently, so it is now running the latest software version with better stability and features. If your device is already up to date, you will see a message saying your system is current and no update is required. It is also recommended to restart your phone occasionally to keep performance smooth and clear temporary system cache files. Regular updates help protect your phone from security risks and ensure apps run efficiently with the latest improvements. Always make sure your battery is charged or your phone is plugged in before starting any software update process. Since I recently updated my own device, everything is running smoothly, and I can clearly notice improved speed, battery efficiency, and system responsiveness compared to older versions. I recommend checking for updates regularly to keep your phone secure and fully optimized at all times, always updated.